Normally, in smartphones, there's a feature called Wi-Fi calling. What this means is that if your network coverage is low, and you're connected to Wi-Fi, your call will be connected through Wi-Fi, so you'll get better network coverage. So, if you want to enable the Wi-Fi calling feature, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to enable the Wi-Fi calling feature on your Apple iPhone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option called Mobile Service. Tap on Mobile Service, and when you scroll down, you'll see the details for every SIM in your smartphone. In my case, there's only one SIM, so only the detail is showing. And under my first SIM, you can see an option called Wi-Fi calling. Tap on it. If it's turned off, what you need to do is enable this option. Here, you'll see Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. Just turn it on. When you tap that, you'll see the Enable option. Click on Enable. Once you do that, the Wi-Fi calling feature will be activated. So, this way, you can easily enable the Wi-Fi calling feature on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.